Hey guys, today the fine folks over at Hovr Solutions sent me one of their floating shelf brackets. I am extremely excited to give this a try. Apparently it can hold 300 pounds on an 8-inch depth. Now I've installed a crazy amount of floating shelves over the years and they're just not that reliable. They don't hold a lot of weight, they're flimsy. So I'm excited to give this a try. I'm actually going to be using this piece of Douglas fir. It's an old barn board. It's probably close to 180 years old. So let's give this a try. I have to actually router out the back to fit this in, so stay tuned. Okay, so that was extremely easy to make and install. I strongly recommend Hovr Solutions. Get yours now at hovrsolutions.com.